Okay, I never usually make videos like these, but you see those videos where they're like, how to make smoke come out of your mouth? I'm gonna show you how you can do it like Dragon, BuzzFeed. Okay, so yes, I know you guys, pretty sure you guys heard the steps of it. So, but you can barely see it on some videos. I don't know if it's gonna show up on mine, but let's see it. Because I'm just gonna show you smoke. Hold up. I'm gonna stand on my couch so it could be closer to the light. Okay, hold on. I'm just showing you guys how to do it right now, actually. I'm gonna keep going till you guys get the idea. I don't know if you guys see it. Not. Hold on. So you guys could rewind and watch it over and over again if you want to see how we do it. If you can do it, show your friends. Dude, I showed my friends. They're like, how do you do that? So show your friends, practice it, and tell me if you get it down. Okay, that's the end of this video.